Today we are talking about the 4 most important things that you should do if you want to build a software business. If you understand these points and take action, you'll put yourself ahead of 99% of people who dream about making money with the software. Common belief is that you need to build 30 applications, flashy marketing campaign, or to be a world-class software developer. This is wrong. You only need to master the following points. By the way, I'm Ross, the tech thinker. I built more than 30 applications. I work for Series A startups. All this works because bootstrapping is what I do every day, the whole day. Number 1, marketing first, product last. You really need to change your mindset and realize that actually networking, marketing, sales are the most valuable skills that you need to build your business. A business is made for people, by people. It's not just a software project that you have. And with the AI revolution, this is even most important because people can just build an application with AI really fast. So actually, sales, marketing, and networking are your superpowers. Good news is that you are in the right place. In this channel, you will learn all this stuff. Number 2, build a product that fits a business model. I already published a video about this. I will put the link in the description below, so check it out. What I'm trying to say is, for example, to build for B2B and not B2C. Money is in B2B because people want to pay money to save their time or to save their money. B2C is really bad because people don't want to pay and the churn rate is really high. You don't want to build a business based on ads because you need a lot of visitors to make some money with ads. You don't want to build a marketplace because you need to create 2 different marketing campaigns, 2 different validation phases for the sellers and the buyers and so on. Number 3, the problem that you want to solve is more important than your idea or product. Don't waste your time in daydreaming problems for a product that you think is a great product. It doesn't work in this way. The problem should be practical and painful. A problem that wastes 5 minutes of your time every day is not a painful problem. A painful problem is a problem that wastes you 1 hour of your time every day. And believe me, people want to pay you to solve this problem. Well, how do you find this problem? Well, this is linked to the next point, the last point, which is also the most important one. Build for an audience or a network that you already know. Every time that you build a product or you have an idea, you need to talk to people. You need to understand the pains. You need to understand the niche. But you cannot change every time your niche. You are not an expert in every niche. You cannot build a product for real estate agents and then for marketing companies and then for software companies and so on. It doesn't work in that way. If you do that, it's actually daydreaming. That's what I call it, daydreaming. So if you have a business network from people that know you, not your family, not your parents, business people, people that know you, that trust you, and then you trust them, build for them. And if you don't have a network, build one, offline and online, build an audience, connect with people, talk to people, understand their problems, take care of one particular niche and build for this niche products. Alright, make sure to subscribe for more content like this. See you the next time. Bye.